Hello, Professor Morgan here, showing you how to find and fix the use of second person in narratives. So, if you have to write a narrative for school and it's a story about something that happened to you and that had a big impact on your life, that should be all about you. So it should be written in first person. So, first person is I, me, my, mine, and second person is you, your, yourself. In writing narratives, we shouldn't be using you because then that's actually talking about the reader and not the person who was actually experiencing things. So the easiest way to do this, to find it, is to go to the Find button. Whoop, and then I'm just going to search for YOU. All right. And then it's going to pull up where it is actually an issue. Okay, so this is a narrative of a student was writing. So they woke up. It was a Sunday morning. They just woke up and got ready for the bed ready. And okay, so my mom's vanilla pancakes were warm and fluffy, and the rich hot chocolate was hot and delicious. It was the kind of breakfast you love to eat. Okay, now when we have the you love to eat here, that is addressing the reader. Maybe the reader doesn't like vanilla pancakes. Maybe the reader doesn't like hot chocolate. So you're making an assumption as the writer here, that this is what the reader is feeling. So, don't tell them what they like and what they don't like. Okay. So, actually, it was the kind of, it's like, you could just change this. It was the kind of breakfast um, I loved to eat. Okay. All right. Now let's find out the next one here. Okay. Outside, you could feel the sun shining on your skin. Okay. Again, you were, as the reader, weren't there at this event. Okay. You're probably not. Okay. So who's feeling this? Who's feeling the sun on their skin? Oh, it would be the person writing the story. So outside, I could feel the sun shining on my skin. All right. Let's fine. Let's just do the last couple here. Okay. I went inside to get the decorations, but I couldn't find them in the room where I left them. I went to my mom's room, but you couldn't find them. Who couldn't find them? Really? The reader? Shame on you. Why couldn't you find them? No, that would be I. That's a simple fix. Okay. And then the last one here is okay. Not to add stress on my mom, you looked everywhere in the house until I finally found them. Again, that just doesn't, whatever. So I looked until I found everywhere. Okay. So why do people use second person like this? Because often it's the way that we speak, and writing is a different form of communication than speaking. And so as people are putting their ideas down into words, sometimes they'll just kind of default to the way that they speak. And the problem with that is that when people speak, they also have voice inflection and they have body language and they have all sorts of different things that can help communicate the information, which we don't have in writing. So we need to be more consistent. So, anyway, a short little video on how to find and fix second person in narratives. So, yeah, there you go. Enjoy.